Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon.
Around for the privilege. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can now with no regret.
Do you guys see how dark it is outside? Look at how dark it is outside. Saturday morning. It's gonna be fun. I'm playing at Farragut Park. They have like 6 different courses. Frisbee golf, by the way, guys, it's just like golf, except there's like a basket with some chains, and you start at one place, tee off, take as few turns as you can, try to make it into the chains. Different discs for going different distances and different things. There's putters, distance drivers, all that good stuff. But yeah, we get up at the butt crack of dawn and we go play. It's kind of crazy. I was up at 4:20 a.m. to do this. I don't even get up that early for hunting. Okay, so we're done with disc golf. We played a couple rounds and I got that friggin' close to a hole in one. So it hit in the basket, hit all the chains, but went through the chains, kind of flopped, hit up on top of the rim, and then just dropped out. Oh, I was so mad. It was so close. I mean, it hit every single chain. It should have stayed in.
Good morning, everyone. It's a new day. It's a Saturday. Yay, I look lovely, but please ignore. Oh, yeah, hold on. Let's put you down. Yeah. Okay, straighten here. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
This is not Mimi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, guys.
Oh.
Little man's having some corn puffs this morning, and then I'm gonna make him some eggs. But we are going to have an exciting day. Yay. Russ is on his way back home from frisbee golfing this morning. We are going to the aquarium today.
Yep.
Exciting. And Bella's friend Bree is going to join us. It's going to be great. And then last night, Bella and I purged her room.
Yeah.
We're not even done yet, though.
Yeah.
We still need to go through her toys, which we only got to her closet, her art stuff, and her books. But I'm excited. Super excited. Anyways, I got to make this boy some eggs. Collin, baby, do you want to go see some fishies? Yeah? Okay.
Okay, come here.
Ooh.
Bring a rubber with you so you can sleep in the car, just in case you want to.
Yeah. Fishies. Yeah, I know. Oh, Mr. Tired Face.
Okay, so we are on our way to Blue Zoo Aquarium.
Woo!
Woo! Hi. Collin, say hi. There you go. All right, so it's over in Spokane, so we got a little bit of a drive before we get there. We will check in when we get there.
All right, everyone, we just made it. I got little man on my arms here. Come on, baby. I know, he's so enthralled with all the cars right now. He just wants to stop and look at the cars. But we're gonna go, and I don't even know exactly where this place is, but it's in the mall. And here we are at the mall. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Good boy. There's a little bit of a line. Not too bad.
We're gonna see the fishies? Yeah.
Russell. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh Bella, this is your favorite. Collin, you want to touch the snake?
Evidently, McDonald's is sponsoring this one.
Yeah, that's a fish. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Oh! My goodness, that's so scary. Oh my goodness. No, I want to hit this. Oh, it touched me and Bella have to roll off her sleeves. Yeah. Collin just likes playing in the water.
Yeah. Collin, are you having fun in the water? Are you having fun in the water? Yeah. Oh! Collin got one!
He's so excited, he's kicking.
Oh, Collin is having a blast. Look at him. Ooh, Collin. Thank you. Is that a starfish, bud? Yeah. Collin, is that fun? Yeah? Ooh, buddy, is that fun?
Look, there's a shrimp. Can you touch everything in here? Oh my god, he's happy! Wait, look at him.
That is cool.
Well, hold on. Let me get him over to you. Very slowly. Breathe! Look!
Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Look at it, they got sharks in here. This is a big tank right here.
This is Dad's tank someday.
Oh, look at him.
Totally out us.
Oh,
look at that guy.
he's fooling me. Look at him. Look at that guy. Look at his gills.
Oh, yeah.
Look at his, oh. How cool.
Collin, say cheese! Cheese! Good boy! Going into the reptiles. Bella, you getting ideas for your future zoo? Oh, is it in here? Oh, Bella, did you see it?
Yeah. Oh, there's another one.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hi. Wow, buddy, do you see that? It's a lizard. It's a lizard.
Dragon. Oh, that's felt in the back.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, is that a Komodo?
No, that guy's actually a cousin.
Monitor.
I saw that.
Oh my gosh, there's a family of them. This is cool. Oh, Collin, you want to pass the ball? Here. Put the ball. Put the ball in there. Good job. Oh my gosh.
You want to throw it in there? Throw it in there.
Throw it in there. Good job.
Yeah. I think so. All right, go ahead, Bree. Yeah. Oh.
Or are they gonna jump?
Yeah, they squirt water at it, so. Hold it lower. There you go.
Whoa. Oh. Oh, they're squirting water at it. That is so cool.
Oh. How cool is that?
Collin's got a token. Can we see it?
Let me
see it?
There it is.
Whoa. Is that a cool token?
That's to feed the birds.
Yeah, we're about ready to feed the birds
So
here.
you give them the token and then you feed the bird.
Are you excited, Collin? Yeah? Yeah?
I don't know.
And your hands and they'll fly up to you, okay?
Awesome.
And once they get up on your hand, you can go ahead and lift up your hand.
Gosh, Dad.
Hey, he's picking up my shoe.
Ashley.
That is cool. Hey, yellow one. Oh my gosh, Ashley, you got a whole bunch of them.
Okay.
Collin, is that fun?
Wow, guys. I have so many, guys.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh wait, I got 2 now. Num num, is that good?
Hey, don't fight.
Hi.
You can be gentle.
I'm not moving my feet.
You don't mind. It's okay. Ready, baby? Nibbling on my toe. I know, they keep nibbling on my toe. There's one on your hand? Oh, what's this? Collin, you go pet it. Oh, be gentle. Be gentle. See, you want to pet its head? Be gentle. Yeah, be gentle. See, pet its shell. Yeah. Whoa, it's a turtle, buddy. Bella, let him go. Good job. Ooh. Good boy. Whoa. Ooh, good job, buddy. You're doing such a good job. Whoa. Go ahead, buddy. You got it. You see Daddy?
Hi, BB. Come here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, dude.
Keep cranking it.
Come on, it's getting harder.
Getting harder. Yay! Ooh,
Look at that.
Ooh, that's Collin's. Oh my gosh, you got it. Wait, are you saying dad or dab?
Dab.